Hariman 99 Summer Zone Apple Cultivation. The old adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, has more than a grain of truth to it. We know, or should know, that we should be adding more fruits and vegetables into our diets. It's nice to be able to grow your own apple tree, but not everyone has the space for an orchard. What if you were to start small, say by growing an apple tree in a pot? Can you grow apple trees in containers? Yes, indeed. Keep watching to find out how to grow a Hariman 99 Summer Zone apple tree in a pot. There are a couple of things to consider before planting Hariman 99 in containers. Choose your cultivar. Shri Hariman Sharma, a renowned progressive farmer hailing from Parnyala village of Bilaspur district, has developed an apple variety, the Hariman 99 or HRMN 99, that can be grown in plain, tropical and subtropical areas. This apple variety does not require chilling hours for flowering and fruit setting. Hariman 99 Summer Zone apple has massive flowers and fruits in whole Jammu province and all colonies where the flowers and fruits are maximum. It is very important to keep some factors in mind like the specific processes and conditions while growing this variety, which can be further contribute to better and qualitative yield from each plant. Salient features of HRMN 99. Grows in low altitude at 1800 feet above the sea level and does not require chilling hours. Average yield 1 quintal per plant from 7-year-old plant. Ready to harvest in early June after 3 years of transplanting. Tolerant to scab disease. Chemical composition of the fruit comparative study. The fruits are accepted by the consumer during the lean period of fresh fruit arrival. However, the tree needs proper care and orchard management practices to be done judiciously. Consider chilling period. In order to set flowers, apple trees require an annual cycle of cold weather in winter, which is called chilling. A chilling period requirement of an apple tree is measured from the total number of hours it gets per year when the temperature remains below 45 Fahrenheit but above the freezing point. But Hariman 99 apple variety does not require chilling hours for flowering and fruit setting. Choosing a pot. Don't start growing apple tree in a too large pot initially. A standard size pot is 5 to 6 gallon, that is 12 inches deep and wide, which is great to start with. Gradually change the size of the container each year or when you identify that the plant is root bound. You'll find out if the plant is root bound or not when it stops its vertical growth. You can upgrade your pot in sequence, choosing one size bigger pot than the previous one each time. Keep in mind, don't plant the plant in a too big pot directly. Requirements for growing apple trees in pots. Position. Like other fruit trees, apple tree loves to grow in sun. For your potted apple tree, choose a sunny location but less windy. In hot summer days, move the container to a place that is shaded from the afternoon sun. Also, keep in mind you maintain good air circulation around your apple tree. If you are growing it on your balcony or rooftop garden, don't place it very closely near the walls. Temperature. Growing apple tree requires cool winter and moderate summer. You can't grow apple trees where the temperature remains the same or too hot. Apple tree can tolerate extremely low temperatures by going dormant in winter. The common characteristics of this scab disease tolerant apple variety are that it can be grown in high temperature areas. Watering. Growing apple trees in pots require regular watering as per the weather conditions. Generally, you should water more abundantly during the formation of flower buds and moderately all the other time. Reduce watering in winter. Water deeply to promote the growth of healthy roots. In any case, avoid the chance of overwatering the plant. Commonly, the apple trees growing in containers die due to root rot that occurs in waterlogged soil and excess watering. Also, avoid overhead watering as wetting the foliage favors the growth of powdery mildew. Soil. You can use potting soil or a mix of compost and regular garden soil to plant your container-grown apple trees. Place some gravel or broken clay pot shards at the bottom of the container to facilitate drainage prior to planting the tree. Apples prefer deep, fertile, and well-draining soil. Avoid waterlogging soil. For growing an apple tree in a container, use a potting mix that is rich in organic matter with slightly acidic to neutral pH. Harriman 99 Apple Tree Care. Fertilizer. Fertilize your apple tree with half-strength balanced liquid fertilizer when the tree is young in every 2 weeks during the growing season. Mix 25 to 30% biofertilizers in the soil excavated. Put 20% of aldrine, anti-termite in the pot before filling with this soil mixture. The soil around should be pressed thoroughly and watered immediately. Biofertilizer must be given to or 3 times a year as per the soil condition and growth of the plant. Start to reduce the feeding of fertilizers from late fall and stop fertilizing in winter. Repotting. Repot the young apple tree in a year or so. Repot in one size bigger pot after spreading roots from sides and bottom. Overwintering. When growing apple trees in pots, you must know that during hard frosts and too cold temperatures, you'll need to protect the roots of the plant. For this, wrap the container with bubble wrap. Pollination. Most of the apple tree varieties require cross-pollination in order to fruit, which means you have to buy at least 2 apple trees. But the best way to avoid this is to buy a self-fertile variety. Flowering. Flowering starts in the month of February up to 10 of March all over the country after 13th months of plantation, and fruit ripening in the month of May till ending June every year. Fruiting. Fruiting starts along with flowers in the month of February and March, and fruit starts ripening in the May till ending June every year. The weight of the largest ripe fruit recorded was 290 grams. The shelf life of ripe fruits is 3 months in cold storage and 1 month at room temperature. Color of ripe fruit varies from greenish to red. Pruning. Pruning is an essential part of apple tree care. Pruning must be done to control the shape and size of your plant. Dead, damaged or diseased branches must be pruned time to time. Also, prune of the branches that are crossing each other or growing inside towards the main trunk. As per the technique described, pruning of all plants should be done in the last week of November or first week of December every year after reaping first crop onwards and not before first crop. Picking flowers and fruit. Thinning. Harriman 99 apple trees start to produce flowers in 2 to 3 years. In the first flowering year, remove all blooms to prevent the tree from setting fruits. This way you will allow the plant to direct its energy in growing. Fruit thinning allows the plant to grow better quality fruits. Wait for a few weeks after fruit setting and remove the fruits that are growing too closely. Weeding. The area of the pit and its surrounding should be free from the weeds. Weeding should be done 4 times per year. A soft weeding is recommended to avoid the injury because the roots of the variety used to spread near the surface of the soil. The pit area should be covered with polythene or grasses so that the minimal moisture and fertility of the soil can be maintained. Pests and diseases. Apple tree in a container unfortunately, hit by the same pests and diseases that target it on the ground. Aphids, moths, apple blossom weevil, scab, powdery mildew, brown rot, and a few more. However, the plants in a container usually are close to home, usually in a limited space, so it is easy to take care of them. Harvesting. Aside from the early June apple drop, the first full-sized apples to fall from the tree are a good indication of when the crop is ready. Apples need to be handled carefully when picking them to avoid any bumps or bruises which will prevent them keeping well. Cupping your hand under the apple, remove the fruit and the small stalk at the top as well if you are planning to store them.